I believe I'm going to try to implement among the athletes is for them to delete social media before they start to run and that kind of stuff.
Because take out a distraction.
Yeah, there's too much of distraction and they spend too much time on the phones and that kind of stuff.
What's next for Tia? Planning on any Diamond League races?
Oh, yeah.
What's next?
Yeah, Tia is in the process of learning how to be a professional. She froze, I believe, in the final. I mean, there were a lot of things which she wasn't accustomed to. I think primarily the weather. Like it had gotten cold.
The food as well?
Yeah, but I mean, she did run 10:89 in the semis. She ran the third best time in the championships.
Right.
But I think that the weather plus the reality that she was in contention, plus I mean, yeah, probably some phone things she saw and that, you know, kind of let her freeze. But while I wish it was different, I realized it was possible.
Right.
And so I think she has learned a lot, and you know, one of the things that she has to learn, which I believe I'm going to try to implement among the athletes, is for them to delete social media before they start to run and that kind of stuff.
Because take out a distraction.
Yeah, there's too much of distraction and they spend too much time on the phones and that kind of stuff. And you know, but I am proud of how she ran. Even though I still don't think she has run as fast as she could.
Right.
But it's a big step running as well as she did at a meet at this level, where they have the it's one thing running against people who are not the best. But another thing, when you stand up against the best people around, that's a little bit harder to run very well.
Right. So maybe another, as you say, 1 or 2 more Diamond League before the end.
She'll probably run in three more in an effort to make the Diamond League final.